Hi everyone, this is Marina from Frocks Frolics, and we are going to make a super cute stocking for your tree, and you can put all those little treats into it. It's not very difficult, and the patterns for it are all free, and you can get those from the Academy. The link is in the info box. First of all, you need to cut out your stocking. Now my stocking is a little bit small, so I would suggest that maybe you add a little bit of seam allowance to it to make it a little bit bigger. You need to cut your stocking twice, your lining twice, and your boot and heel cap also twice. First of all, we're going to sew together our lining, but we're leaving a gap in the side here so that we can turn our stocking later. First we're going to sew on the boot caps with a blanket stitch. On my Janome, that's stitch 30. Then we're going to join our two pieces of the stocking together, right sides facing on the inside, and we're going to sew all the way around. But don't forget to leave the top open. Do not sew your stocking shut. Now we have both stockings together. We need to snip all the curves, otherwise they don't turn very easily. Now we need to put one stocking inside the other, so right sides need to be facing again, and you can see here the lining has the seams to the outside. Now just join the top of your stocking and sew all the way around. This might be a little bit fiddly. I would really recommend making this stocking a little bit bigger than I did. Once this is done, we can now go to our opening and turn our stocking inside out. And finally, we just have to close that gap that we've left, so we put the seam allowances to the inside, pin it, and just stitch it down with a sewing machine. Finally, I'm going to put a ribbon on. You can choose any ribbon you like. I just had a small white one to hand. And that was it, so pop on over to the Academy, to the course Handmade Christmas, where you'll find even more templates for another gift bag and also this beautiful stuffed reindeer. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you over there. Bye for now.